Hi guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying another polish of the week video. So recently I did try out D&D's gel polish and now I'm going to be trying out their regular polish counterpart to the color. This is a different color though. This is a purple, but this is a regular nail polish from D&D. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this color is called Astral Blast and it is a dark purple color. Kind of has a little bit of a shimmer to it, a sheen, and it does come in a kit that includes the gel polish version of its color. And I did do a review of D&D's gel polishes and I have that linked up above for you to check out if you're interested. But today I'm going to be trying out the regular nail polish. But yeah, this is just a really pretty purple color and I'm excited to try this one out. And this is a 0.5 ounce bottle, so pretty good size. And I tried looking, but I couldn't really find if D&D has a base coat and top coat for their regular polish, so I'm just going to use this base coat by Super Chic Lacquer, their long-lasting color bonding base coat. And I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. This base coat is pretty good, I found. I also enjoyed using Super Chic's top coat a while back. I think they're both $7 each, but their top coat was very shiny and dried very quick, so I like their top coat. I also like the smell of this base coat. It actually doesn't really smell strong. It has kind of a nice, I don't know, almost kind of licorice kind of smell. It's weird. But yeah, after I apply the base coat to all of the nails, I'm going to take the polish, and I did make sure to roll it up between my palms to make sure it was very thoroughly mixed together. So I'm beginning by applying the first coat on the pinky, and I found the color to be pretty opaque in one coat. But what I did also find after stroking through it a few times is that something about the formula just didn't seem right to me. It was getting kind of sticky and didn't really seem to be compatible with the base coat in some areas. And when it dried, it didn't quite look very smooth. As you can see there on the ring finger, it just wasn't quite. But I just continued applying the coats as I usually would. I really do like the brush size. I think it was perfect for my nails. And even though it was a pretty smooth formula, it did just end up having those petchiness spots in some places. So yeah, although I was totally head over heels about this color, I wasn't too impressed with how the formula of the polish was just acting up. And as you can see with that first coat, pretty streaky looking. However, in a few minutes it is dry and ready for the second coat. Now, I was curious to see how the second coat would go, and it honestly went much better. It really brought the color to full opacity and really smoothed it out. It just definitely went on much nicer and didn't have any streakiness or drying problems. The next layer dried quickly enough, and I'm going to now apply top coat. So here I'm going to use one from Vinylux. This top coat is very glossy, so I like it because of that. And it actually came in my school kit for nails. Sorry if my voice is sounding kind of funny. I'm feeling a little bit sick right now, but I think it should be fine. So I'm just applying this one to all the nails. So one thing might be to note about this polish is the price. So I did get this set of a gel polish and its matching regular nail polish counterpart for $8. So it's pretty cheap. And definitely, if you saw my review of the gel polish color, it was not a very high quality kind of gel polish. It didn't last very long for me. So in final, I would say that these polishes are a bit on the cheaper side, and they're great because they're so affordable, and also they come with 2 in one package, so it's a pretty good deal. But here is how the finished manicure came out. I really love this color. The formula maybe seemed a little bit cheap to me, but for the price, I think it's a very affordable product. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I noticed that you guys do like my polish of the week videos, so thank you very much. I do enjoy making them. I did make a video a little while back on the bow nail polishes with the color changing effect, but I only did one color on my actual nails, so for my following polish of the week videos, I might do full swatches of those across all my nails to show you guys what they look like. I think that'll be really fun. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would. I post nail videos like this every Wednesday. Feel free to leave me a comment below saying what you think about this video or this color. So yeah, until next time, stay warm and have a magical day.